Week with feeder cattle taking it on the chin. Michelle Rook is back with an update in markets now.
Wednesday's market closes were mostly lower except for the hog markets. Kent Beadle with Paradigm Futures is joining us. And Kent, the grains all saw a sell-off. We saw new contract lows in corn and Kansas City and Minneapolis wheat, but some of this was just some concerns going into the USDA Ag Outlook Forum, right?
Yeah, I think it was. And we did make new lows for the move in soybeans as well, even though they weren't contract lows. But, you know, to be fair, we are all looking ahead to the release of the new balance sheets for the 24-25 season, which will give us new acreage, projected yields, projected demand, and some carryouts that the trade believes, looking at average trade guesses, are going to result in significantly higher ending stocks in all three of our major commodities.
So funds stepped on the accelerator as a result, didn't they, on the sell side?
Yeah, absolutely they did. They've been selling it regularly for weeks. We've been watching open interest trend higher. We had a small break in that trend, but open interest jumped here again, has been jumping again this week. And it very likely means that the size of that speculative short position continues to grow.
Corn market, where do you think we find the next support? Do we have to go down and take out $4 at this point?
Well, there are major old highs on the continuation chart right at 420.
Soybeans, we also took out some key support there, didn't we?
Yeah, we were looking at 1179 as being a support area that we'd made that low, I think, on Monday of the previous week and held it through most of last week. Took that out.
And cattle also ended in the red on Wednesday, and we did have some lower cash trade, didn't we?
Yeah, Southern Plains trade today was $180 even, down a couple dollars from last week's trade, influenced by some early week weakness in the cattle market, and that helped trigger some additional selling in the cattle in what turned out to be kind of a risk-off day in almost all of our.
Thanks for joining us, Kent Beadle, Paradigm Futures, and we'll have more AgDay coming up.